let me tell you what is 1's complement. So let's say you have given a number in binary form. Let's say you have given this only. Okay, this is nothing but 10, this is 8, this is 2. So it is 10 in decimal. Okay, so if I take this and I want to find 1's complement of it. So 1's complement is nothing but inversion of bits. Okay, it is nothing but inversion of bits. Simply inversion of bits. Whatever bits given to you, just invert them. So in binary we only have 0 and 1. So wherever we have 0, just replace with 1, and wherever we have 1, just replace it with 0. Okay, so after inversion, so replace 0 will be replaced by 1, 1 will be replaced by 0, 0 will be replaced by 1, 1 will be replaced by 0. Okay, so after replacing, after inverting the bits, this will be my 1's complement. Okay, this will be my 1's complement. Correct?